So guys, articles. What are articles? Articles are those words of English that are used before the nouns. Why do we use them? We use them to limit or define the nouns that are used in the context of the sentence, right? So articles, what are the articles help us in? So they are used as demonstrative or determiners before the nouns. We can also say that articles are a kind of determiners. Now, सबसे पहले indefinite, definite. So A and B. So where do we use and? So I was explaining it yesterday as well, that before the words that are beginning with vowel sound, we use and. For example, A, E, I, O, U. They are all vowels. So what do we use? We use and. Others are consonants, an apple, an egg, an owl. So these are before all these words. We what do we use? We use the word and. Then before words beginning with silent H, an hour, an honorable man, an here, an honest man, right? We use the word and. There are few additional words before which we use and. What are those words? The words that sounds like F, H, L, M, N, R, S, X. These are the letters that are not vowels but begin with vowel sound. Now, because they begin with vowel sound, we have to use the word an before them. For example, M has the sound of M, EM, right? So if they start with EM, if they have this sound, then what do we use? We use vowels, right? Right? So an is used before abbreviations beginning with vowels. Before all those abbreviations that begin with vowels or these letters. For example, an MLA. ये vowel के साथ M, दो M for mother, but उसमें EM की sound नहीं आती. So इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? MLA, NRAF, NNCC, officer, an FIR, an X-ray, an HE school, an SP, right? So इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे an use करते हैं, though they do not start with A, E, I, O, U, यानी कि vowels, right? There are certain words with which we use the word A, we use the article A. So in the sense of one, where we have to show that there is something which is individual or one. With one, Q1 begins with sound of W. A one-man show, 1 rupee note. So ये सब one के साथ होते हैं. Single. Before words beginning with consonant sound, for example, a boy, a box, a dog, with vowel letters having consonant value, वो vowel letters जिनकी consonant value है. For example, a university, a unique article, a euphemism, a unit, a European language. All these begin with consonant sound YU. इसलिए हम यहाँ पे we do not use vowel here. Though they start with U or E, still we did not use vowel. With units and rates, for example, he earns rupees 500 a month. Rice sells 10 rupees a kg. Give me a meter length of cloth. In exclamatory expressions before singular countable nouns, so what a pretty girl, how sunny a day. So in exclamatory expressions में भी हम नहीं use करते. When two subjects or articles thought of as a single unit, जब दो subjects को या articles को हम एक single unit मानते हैं, right? For example, he was ready with a cup and saucer. So cup और plate के साथ वो ready था. A cigarette is made of a paper tobacco. So paper tobacco. With certain expressions of quantity. So कौन-कौन से expressions हैं quantity के? A lot of, a dozen of, a great deal of a couple, right? So हम इन सबको नहीं use करते, हम इन सब में a ही use करते हैं. Yes. So with units and with rate. So he earns rupees 500 a month. So the person is earning 500 rupees a month. Rice sells 10 rupees a kilo. Give me a meter length of the cloth. Right? So 500 a month वो earn कर रहा है. अब 500 is a single unit. So that is why we use A. We need to use A. In explanatory expressions before singular countable nouns, what a pretty girl, how sunny a day, right? So हम exclamatory expressions में भी इसको use करते हैं. When two subjects or articles thought of as a single unit, जब दो subject या दो article जो हैं वो एक unit में express होते हैं. For example, a cigarette is made up of paper tobacco with certain expressions of quantity. We always use the word a lot of. Why do we use a? Because we always consider one lot as singular, a dozen. So if you go to the market and say, please get me a dozen bananas. So a dozen, a great deal of, a couple of, with a person's name to indicate that the person is perhaps unknown to the opinion addressed. So Mr. Roy is at the door. So वो अननोन है उस बंदे को लेके जो एड्रेस कर रहा है. With a special meal to celebrate something or in someone's honor. I called my friends to a lunch to celebrate my success. So मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स को लंच पे बुलाया ताकि सक्सेस को सेलिब्रेट कर सकें. और डिनर वाज अरेंज्ड टू वेलकम द प्रिंसिपल. एक डिनर अरेंज किया हमने प्रिंसिपल को वेलकम करने के लिए. टू मेक अ कॉमन नाउन ऑफ अ प्रॉपर नाउन, किसी भी प्रॉपर नाउन का कॉमन नाउन को प्रॉपर नाउन बनाने के लिए. So we also use this example. This is a second Newton. So this boy is a Newton of the class, right? Or Daniel came to judgment. The phrase a wise man, right? ये था ये था an and a. Then we use the word the. So when we speak of a particular person or thing already referred to, I dislike the follow. The boy near the taps is my brother. So I dislike the follow. मैं उसको dislike करता हूँ. The boy near the taps is my brother. So वो boy मेरा brother है, right? Next is use of the. When we speak to a particular person or thing already referred to, then we use the word the. I dislike the follow. The boy near the taps is my brother. So when a singular noun represents a whole class, एक ही noun जो पूरी class को represent करता है. The mango is considered the king among the fruits. So mango, the mango, यानी कि fruits की class को पूरा वो represent कर रहा है. The ass is used as a beast of burden. So जो ass है, खच्चर है, उसको हम use करते हैं beast of burden, right? So the nouns man and woman do not take the before them. हालांकि मैन भी एक क्लास को डिनोट करता है, वुमेन भी एक क्लास को डिनोट करता है, बट उसके आगे हम द नहीं यूज करते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी से मैन इज द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ गॉड्स क्रिएशंस, वी नेवर से द मैन, राइट? So with the name of gulf, river, ocean, island, mountains, Himalaya, Indian Ocean, Persian Gulf, Red Sea, Andaman, Brahmaputra, certain books like Vedas, Puran, Bible, Ramcharitramanas, the musical instruments, the flute, the violin, the tabla, the trumpet, the inventions, जिसने inventions किए हैं. I hate the telephone for its constant ringing. The television is a gift of science. Parts of body. He was wounded in the leg. They hit him on the hands. Religious groups: the Sikhs, the Hindus, the Parsis. Religious groups, right? So we always use the before these groups. The primarily हम कहाँ use करते हैं? We use the word the when we have to give a respect or we have to emphasize on a particular thing. Secondly, with the names. किनके? वो सब लोगों के नाम जो which are renowned personalities. So उनके नाम के आगे हम हमेशा the use करते हैं. So parts of body, what do we say? He was wounded in the leg. They hit him on the hands, right? So इसी तरह religious groups. So we always use the. We always use the before political parties, the Congress, the Bharatiya Janata Party. So we always use the before them. The BJP, aeroplane, ships, trains. So aeroplane named as the Makalu, the Vikrant, the Rajdhani Express. So इन सब के आगे हम द लगाते हैं. Before names of empire, dynasty, historical events, we always use the before them. Right? So if we say the Gupta dynasty, so जो भी empire होगा उसके आगे हम द जरूर लगाएंगे. The old Stone Age, the First World War, the American Revolution. So we always use the before them. Clubs, foundations, the Lions Club, the Ford Foundation. So we always use the before them. Before common nouns denoting unique things. So वो common noun जो unique चीजों को दिखाते हैं. Sun, sky, earth. We always use the before them. The world, the stars. Superlatives के साथ he is the best boy in the class. Prizes would be given for the most outstanding performances. With ordinals, he took the first taxi that came his way. He lives in the 10th block. Our class is on the second floor. So इन सब के आगे हम the लगाते हैं हमेशा. Before the comparative degree, so comparative, the more they get, the more they want. Comparative, एक को दूसरे से कंपेयर कर रहा है, जितना ज्यादा उनको मिलेगा उतना ज्यादा वो वांट करेंगे. He is the cleverer of the two. वो दोनों में से ज्यादा शातिर है. Before an adjective when the noun is understood. So adjective के आगे जब noun understood कर लेते हो आप, the poor would favor him, we must not shun the disabled. So these are the articles. This is the use of a, an, and the. Please mind it that an is not only used before vowels, it is used with silent h and with these alphabets mentioned. Right? Similarly, a is used with consonant sound. University. So इन सब के साथ हम a use करते हैं. And the is used with some specific things, right? So we use